Hey guys, today I'm going to be comparing the BOTO kayak from Tucktec to the standard kayak from Tucktec. So I've made this handy little comparison chart so you can kind of see some of the differences here. The main difference with the BOTO is this is ultra lightweight. This is a kayak that only weighs 10 pounds. That's crazy. So I'm really curious to see how it does today. I'm going to take it out on the water. Just a little bit of full disclosure here. Tucktec sent us this BOTO kayak to try. So I didn't purchase this one myself. However, I did purchase my two 2022 edition kayaks from Tucktec, and they're the ones that we've still been using. So to do a true comparison test, my husband's going out in our existing Tucktec kayak that we own. I'm going to be trying the BOTO kayak, and we're kayaking the same spot we always kayak, which is in the bay at Delaware Seashore State Park. When I went to lift the kayak down to the water, I just am shocked at how light it is. It's crazy light. So today I'm testing the new Tucktec BOTO ultralight kayak. It weighs about 10 pounds. And just for good comparison, my husband's in the regular Tucktec heavy duty. And then I'm taking this out the same place I usually kayak, just so I can give it a really fair shake here. So we're at Burton's Island, Delaware Seashore. We're gonna give this thing a try. I'm a little nervous. See how it goes. Okay, let me get my kayak tether on here. Oops, went in the water. So just initially, this definitely has more give than I normally feel when I'm in the traditional Tucktec heavy duty. This feels maybe a little bit wobblier, but I will admit I'm testing this in pretty tough conditions. We are in a bay right now, but to be fair, this is where I always paddle with my other Tucktec. So. All right, so a couple of thoughts on the Tucktec BOTO. The seat is pretty good. It definitely, because it has these metal bars, it gives you some support. But then again, the bottom is a little bit different from the other Tucktec. It just has like a foam pad you're sitting on, but the back support is much better and you don't have that give that you do in the other seat. I would say you feel this boat flex a little bit more with the waves and stuff, whereas the heavy duty one, you don't feel that. Now keep in mind I'm in the bay today, but so far I'm staying dry. I like the rubber. It's got a rubber portion on the sides. So what's happening is it's not hurting my arms because the other one can be a little bit rough. So it's quite interesting. The birds are not real happy with me going through here. And my daughter and I kind of experienced something like this last summer where they were like swooping down at us, being very territorial. And of course they didn't actually hurt us, but they are nesting on these islands, and that's part of why they do not want you to go ashore. So we're just gonna make our way through here and hopefully not upset the birds too much. Oh no! Oh my God! So if you've been watching my channel for a little bit, you'll know that when I said I wanted to get these kayaks, my husband was like, cool, get them, but I never want to go in them because he doesn't like kayaking. But coming up in a couple days, it is our 18th wedding anniversary. So he woke up one day and said, you know what, I'll try kayaking, take me. So he's out here with me, and I really appreciate it because I know this is not one of his favorite things, but I'm really glad he's sharing in this experience with me. And I'm just enjoying it because I know he probably is not gonna wanna come again because kayaking is not really his thing, but I greatly appreciate that he went with me today. There are so many cormorants. It's crazy. Bay today with this. The BOTO Ultralight from Tucktec is handling really, really good. And when they told me they would send me one of these to try, I was super excited because I love my heavy duty ones, and this is just a nice option for people that want something super compact, super lightweight. I'd say maybe this is better suited for lakes or calm rivers, that type of thing, but the bay is exceptionally calm today, so I'm not having any issues out here with it. So we are making our way back to where we started, and then I'm going to go over a few more things about the kayak with you. In my opinion, the BOTO definitely feels a bit flimsier compared to the traditional Tucktec, but this is an ultralight. There's going to be trade-offs. So this is my first time using the BOTO today. Compared to the traditional heavy-duty Tucktec, this is more of a, I don't know, reinforced cardboard, plastic type. It's a lot lighter. The seat was really great. Gave a lot of support, but then you're just sitting on kind of this foam mat. I was able to find a place to put my tether. You can see the birds pooped on it already. And I did find that I like this to protect your arms when you're paddling, but I did find it was a little bit awkward, and sometimes my paddle hit here and I got a little bit of water in the kayak, a little more than usual with my paddle splash. All right, so overall, I think this is really cool, a really great option if you're looking for a folding kayak that weighs 10 pounds. Like, it is so insanely light. It was super easy to get in the water, felt stable, even out here in the bay. Like I said, I like the rubber trim, I like the seat. Curious to see how it's going to hold up compared to my heavy duty Tucktec. So now that they sent me this to keep, I'm going to be taking it out here. Hopefully I can get both my kids out here at once, and we'll just keep putting it to the test and coming back and letting you guys know how it performs over time. All right, so thanks guys for watching today. I had a really great time having my husband with me. It was really fun to check out the BOTO Kayak. My husband and I only fought a little bit. Just kidding. There were some tense moments, but pretty good for our first time kayaking together. It was super fun to compare the BOTO Tucktec ultralight kayak to kind of like the heavy duty Tucktec kayak. I was really pleased with how light it was and how it performed. If you've got any questions about Tucktec kayaks, the heavy duty or the BOTO one, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you're interested in getting a kayak of your own, be sure to check out the links in the description. I'm a Tucktec affiliate, so I earn a little commission if you buy a kayak through them. And to thank all my viewers, they have a 10% off code. So if you're interested in buying a kayak, if you buy through my link, you can save yourself a little bit of money. So thanks for watching and have a great day, guys. And I look forward to taking this kayak out on a lot more adventures and maybe getting my husband to kayak with me some more.